Money is one of the most significant needs of humans, and everyone desires to have more of it. However, despite trying various methods to manifest money, only a few people succeed in achieving their desired wealth. Joseph Murphy believed that we can use our subconscious mind to attract and manifest desired things, including wealth and abundance. In this video, we will discuss how we can use our subconscious mind to attract wealth. We will also discuss a powerful technique to manifest wealth recommended by Joseph Murphy. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Joseph Murphy says that the subconscious mind is like a powerful genie in a bottle that can make your desires and beliefs a reality. If you hold on to positive thoughts and beliefs about good health, wealth, and fulfilling relationships, your subconscious mind will manifest them into your life. Conversely, if you harbor negative expectations or fears of illness, poverty, and loneliness, your subconscious will create those realities for you. To achieve your goals in life, it's important to understand how your subconscious mind works. When you were born, the world and all of its treasures were already here, waiting for you to discover them. Consider the vast and infinite riches that surround you, both seen and unseen, waiting for your mind to tap into them. Adopt an attitude of abundance, seeing wealth as readily available and accessible as the air you breathe. By cultivating this mindset, you can unlock the full potential of your subconscious and realize your dreams. Realize that wealth is like a tide, forever flowing out and forever flowing back. A sales manager told me that an associate of his sold a $1 million idea for expansion to the organization. You can have an idea worth a fortune too. Wealth is a mental image in your mind. Wealth is an idea in your mind. Wealth is a mental attitude. You can have an idea worth a fortune. Moreover, you are here to release the splendor within you and surround yourself with luxury, beauty, and the riches of life. But you must develop the right attitude toward money, wealth, food, clothing, travel, and all things good and desirable. When you truly make friends with wealth, you will always have a surplus of it. Many people mistakenly believe that you can feel wealthy only when you have riches. However, the opposite is true. You attract riches only when you feel wealthy. Waiting or hoping for money to come your way is a trap. You must take the leap of faith. You must live in anticipation and gratitude for the wealth you imagine before you can begin to attract what you desire. Look upon money as a divine idea, maintaining the economic health of the nations of the world. When money is circulating freely in your life, you are economically healthy in the same way that when your blood is circulating freely, you are free from congestion. Money is a symbol of exchange that has taken many forms throughout history. It represents freedom from want, beauty, luxury, abundance, security, and refinement. These are all natural and normal desires that we should feel entitled to. We can define our destiny and create the life we desire through our thoughts, beliefs, and acceptance of abundance. The idea that some people are destined to be rich while others are destined to suffer is false. Our conscious thoughts and beliefs shape our subconscious mind, which in turn models and fashions our daily circumstances and experiences. Those who enjoy abundance and prosperity understand the creative power of their minds and continually impress their subconscious with ideas of abundance, prosperity, and plenty. As a result, their subconscious mind automatically manifests abundance in their experiences. This is a universal law that operates in everyone's life. Our deep-seated beliefs become our reality and are objectified in our experiences, events, and conditions. Therefore, we must be mindful of our thoughts and beliefs and cultivate a positive mindset toward wealth and abundance. It's important to note that wealth and abundance can come in many forms, and we must not limit ourselves to the traditional definition of riches. Abundance can also manifest as love, health, joy, and fulfillment. By embracing the abundance mindset, we open ourselves up to a fuller, richer, and more wonderful life. We must trust in the power of our subconscious mind and believe that we are entitled to experience abundance in all areas of our lives. The power of our thoughts and beliefs is immense. According to Joseph Murphy, if we are aware and convinced that we live in a generous, intelligent, and infinitely productive universe governed by a loving force or cosmic power, our conviction will be reflected in our circumstances and activities. Likewise, if our dominant conviction is that we are not worthy of infinite universal wealth and that we are doomed or fated to remain without it, then this conviction will be reflected in our circumstances and activities. These two opposing beliefs are the primary determinants of whether we are rich in material abundance or poor. Thoughts of abundance produce abundance, and thoughts of lack produce lack. That is why the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. To achieve wealth, disciplined thinking is necessary. It requires a sustained and continuous belief that it will come to pass. The key phrase is disciplined thinking. The discipline of the mind begins when we are eager, willing, and yearning for truth. We must examine and understand our heartfelt beliefs, opinions, ideals, and aspirations. We must renew our minds and think in a new way. Murphy tells a story about a young woman who was a very good writer, but said she did not write for money. When he asked her what was wrong with money, she revealed that she disliked it and referred to it as filthy lucre. She had a subconscious pattern that there was some virtue in poverty, but there isn't. Murphy explained to her that good and evil are in the thoughts and motivations of people, not in the universe itself. Money is not evil, and referring to it as filthy lucre is a rank superstition. If we want money, we must be friendly with it, and it will never lack. When money is in circulation, times are prosperous. When people begin to brood and worry, fear raises its ugly head and depression or recession sets in. It is all purely psychological. According to Joseph Murphy, the pursuit of money should not be the sole aim in life. While it is possible to attain wealth by focusing solely on money, it can lead to an unbalanced and unsatisfying life. To live a fulfilling life, one must also seek peace, harmony, beauty, guidance, love, joy, and wholeness in all aspects of life. Neglecting these aspects of life can lead to a lack of courage, faith, goodwill, and joy. Everyone has hidden talents and a true place in life that they must discover. The purpose of life is to contribute to the growth, happiness, and success of others by sharing these talents. The divine power within each person is a gift that must be used to help others. As such, accumulating money to the exclusion of everything else is not a worthwhile pursuit. While it is possible to use money wisely and constructively, it can also be used destructively if one has self-limiting thoughts and beliefs. Murphy recounts the story of a minister who believed that money was evil. Murphy corrected the minister's interpretation of Scripture, explaining that coins and paper are neutral substances that can be used for good or evil depending on one's beliefs and actions. After realizing the good that money can do for himself, his family, and his parishioners, the minister began to affirm that money is a divine idea that is constantly circulating in his life and the lives of those around him. By changing his attitude towards money and regularly affirming his belief in its positive power, the minister attracted the resources he needed to build a beautiful church and support his personal, worldly, and cultural needs. According to Joseph Murphy, there is a 4-step process that can unlock the key to wealth and ensure that you never want it. This technique involves reasoning, decision-making, and repetition, and it all starts with a clear understanding of the life principle. Step 1. Understand that the life principle is the source of everything in the universe. This principle gave birth to you, and all of its powers, qualities, and attributes are within you. Recognize that everything you see and experience comes from the invisible mind of the infinite, which is also known as the life principle. This invisible mind is the same as the human mind, and everyone is an inlet and outlet to all that is. The life force is the source of your energy, vitality, health, and even your money. Step 2. Decide to engrave the idea of wealth into your subconscious mind. Ideas are conveyed to the subconscious through repetition, faith, and expectation. Repeat the thought pattern or act of affirming wealth over and over until it becomes automatic. The subconscious is compulsive and will be compelled to express wealth if you believe in what you are affirming. It is not mere mumbo-jumbo or idle affirmation. You must have faith in what you are affirming, just like you believe that when you plant seeds in the ground, they grow after their kind. Step 3. Visualize and embody wealth. Visualization is a powerful technique that can help you manifest your desires. Once you have decided to engrave the idea of wealth in your subconscious mind, it's time to visualize and embody wealth. Visualization involves creating a mental picture of what you want to achieve. It helps you focus your mind on your goals and activates the creative power of your subconscious mind to bring your desires into reality. Start by creating a vivid mental picture of yourself enjoying the wealth and abundance you desire. See yourself living in a luxurious home, driving a fancy car, traveling the world, or doing whatever else you desire. Imagine yourself surrounded by all the things that make you happy and fulfilled. Feel the emotions of joy, gratitude, and contentment that come with having everything you want. But don't stop at mental imagery. To truly embody wealth, you must also act as if you already have it. This means dressing, speaking, and behaving like a wealthy person. It means adopting the habits and attitudes of successful people. It means living in the present moment with an abundance mindset instead of worrying about the future or dwelling on the past. By visualizing and embodying wealth, you are sending a powerful message to your subconscious mind that you are already wealthy. And as your subconscious mind begins to accept this belief, it will start to attract the people, circumstances, and opportunities that will help you achieve your goals. Step 4. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools for attracting abundance and creating a positive mindset. It is a practice that involves recognizing and appreciating all the good things that you have in your life and expressing your thanks for them. When you cultivate a sense of gratitude, you become more aware of the abundance that surrounds you, and you begin to see opportunities for growth and prosperity everywhere. At its core, gratitude is about acknowledging the blessings in your life and recognizing that they come from a higher source. This can be a religious or spiritual belief, or simply an understanding that the universe is inherently abundant and generous. When you express gratitude, you are affirming your faith in this principle of abundance, and you are attracting more of it into your life. One of the best ways to practice gratitude is to make a daily habit of counting your blessings. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on all the good things in your life and give thanks for them. This can be as simple as writing down 3 things you're grateful for each day in a journal, or as complex as creating a daily gratitude ritual that involves meditation, prayer, or other spiritual practices. Another way to practice gratitude is to give back to others. When you help others and make a positive impact on their lives, you are expressing your gratitude for the abundance in your own life and creating even more abundance in the process. This can involve volunteering your time or resources to a charitable cause, donating money to a cause you care about, or simply offering a helping hand to someone in need. I hope I delivered a good analysis of this idea by Joseph Murphy. It will help everyone to form his or her own opinion, and that is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general concepts, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.